Hello friends. So, if you don't know by now, we live in western North Carolina and we were our entire property was destroyed by the floodwaters of Hurricane Helene. And that happened 50 days ago today. So it's been an eventful 7 weeks, you could say. So we are back on our property, on our land. We've been here for a few weeks and we're living in our camper, which we did that before, so that's nothing new. And we are cleaning up still and starting to rebuild. So I want to document this process as much as possible. It's going to be hard. Just balancing everything that's been going on has been really hard for me, as far as everyday life of losing everything. Also trying to help and support our community and trying to rebuild and clean up. It's tiresome, it's a lot, but I'm gonna attempt to do it. I'm gonna try to put in the work and take you guys along with us so you can see how all this is done. But yeah, so this is our house right there. That's our water. We have that. We have no running water to here. We have power only to our campsite, that's all. There's no power anywhere else in the campground, and there's no water. So we do have our septic tank, which is great, so we can dump our tanks. But yeah, everything that you see in here was brought back in. Nothing survived. So all of this was completely destroyed. So if you haven't yet watched my other videos showing, during the flood and us walking into the property right after, because it's pretty crazy. So we have just kind of started the rebuilding process back. We're still cleaning up and we've started rebuilding. So just to show you guys some things that we've done so far, we have put in water and sewer lines to 15 different campsites, and we just broke down one of the burn piles, which is what Jared's currently trying to smooth out right now so we can put grass seed down. So we had to get everything out of the debris pile, burn pile, and get all the metal out, the trash, and burn the wood that was left. So yeah, it's been a lot. And I kept going back and forth about trying to document this entire process, because I'm not gonna lie, it's really hard and it's a lot of work. It's not easy. So this is kind of gonna be just a no frills, raw, just journey that we're gonna take you guys on, and nothing special. These are just gonna be able to be a little bit lengthier videos, just to show you guys kind of what we're doing. And yeah, so I'm gonna give it a go and see what happens. But we have received a ton of volunteer help, and we are so gracious for all the people that have volunteered to help us, because this truly has been a nightmare, losing your business and where you live all in one fell swoop. And yes, we got our camper out, which is where we lay our head at night, but everything else was here, like all of our family heirlooms, all of our family photos, even stuff like washers and dryers, my silversmith shop. Everything was here, and all that is now gone. Our bees, we had 2 beehives. Our bees are gone. So this was our life. We worked here and lived here. This was our everyday. So all of our things were here. We lost 2 vehicles, side by side, a shipping container, an enclosed trailer, 6 structures, 5 golf carts. So yeah, it's been a tremendous loss for us, but we are gonna fight. We're gonna rebuild, and that's kind of just showing you guys what's been going on. This channel has always been about fun stuff, travel. We were planning Monday. We were supposed to be leaving for the UK for 3 weeks for a backpacking trip, and we had so many vlogs planned, and just it was gonna be all about UK travel and all that fun stuff, and it's gonna take a big turn. So if you want to join us in this process, I would love for you to subscribe below if you haven't already, and follow along with us as we rebuild Mountain River Family Campground. So Thanks, guys. Where's your bone? You lost it.